Hello everyone, my name is Shahid and today we are going to deploy Cloudera Manager. Okay, so I have already saved prerequisites and web server in AMI. So I'm launching the machines like for CentOS and for Xlarge. Okay, uh, and then after I'm launching my web server, which is also saved in my AMI for repo 5.16. It's sufficient T2 micro, okay, for hosting a web server of 5.16. Okay, in one of my CentOS machine, I'm taking one CentOS machine for CM for Cloudera Manager, and checking the public IP for and connect to my terminal because I'm using Mac. So I'm connected through the terminal like connectoid SSH-I, my key, then your CentOS and IP. Okay. See, as we are connected to the CentOS machine, now we are checking the prerequisites like sh prerequisite dot sh. Prerequisite means your SC Linux should be disabled and your swappiness equals to 1. IPv6 is disabled and your IP tables is to be disabled, is not running over there. Okay, make sure while deploying your Cloudera Manager, right? Okay. My JDBC connector is not installed for connecting to the MySQL server, so we have to also install in all the machines we are taken of CentOS. Okay. First of all, we have to create a shell script like a PDSH, your distributed shell like for distributing all your whatever installed in your cluster. First of all, you have to make your shell script in it. Okay. Just a nano your make a file nano cluster. Okay. Then after going to your AWS screen and select the IPs for you have taken for CentOS. Make sure you have not selected the IP of your web server because web server is out of your cluster. Okay, we have to make the shell script file like cluster cmd.sh. Okay, then after for what reason we have creating your the shell script, because we have to whatever we have to install, we have to install in all the 6 machines we have taken for CentOS. Make sure. Okay, that's why we are creating shell script file. Okay, and now we run our shell script for all the 6 machine and checking all the prerequisites on the all 6 machine. Okay, let's do it. Because we are connecting first time to the all machines, so it's asking me for connecting or not. I'm taking yes. Got it. Second time, yes. Now I'm downloading the JDBC driver, okay, for your machines, okay, for connecting your MySQL, connecting your MySQL server, whatever we taken, okay. We are going to take the RDS Amazon service over there. So that's why for connecting that we are downloading JDBC connectors. There may be multiple connectors like your you listen that which may be DirectX. In market there is a new connector is coming up which is Infinity Band. I think you listen something. Okay. After that, we have to setting up the Cloudera manager repo. For that, we have to change the IPs. Okay, in my script for which IP I'm going to paste here. For it's my web server IP. Okay, it's located in etc yum.repo.d and creating one file which is Cloudera manager.repo. Got it? So continue. Um, okay, change the IPs for in that my script for web server. After going to in sudo nano etc yum repos.d and your Cloudera manager and go to your CentOS machine. Okay, I'm going to my CentOS machine. I'm pasting here. Now I'm going to paste my Cloudera manager. This is this statement you find it from your Cloudera documentation. If you see, okay, where I take from this statement. This is this I am take from your my Cloudera documentation. Okay. Uh, it's CM 5.56. Just checking it's correct. Okay, it's correct. Okay, now then after we have to install JDK Java version. It's because we are installing 5.16, so I am taking Java 1.7 open JDK. Okay, I am pasting here. Okay, it's installing. Installation. Okay, what happened? Okay, it's processing. Perfect. Okay, everything is working fine. Yeah. Okay, my JDK is installed in it. Okay, then after we need to make a cache in it. Okay, like sudo yum make cache. What is cache? Cache is the fastest memory we have to make. Okay. Now I'm installing the Cloudera server and your daemon. It's downloading from where it download from your where you set your repo in etc Cloudera manager repo. Okay, and in from that it's install that parcels. We are choosing parcels. Okay, that's why. Okay, it's installing. Okay. um, नो फॉर दैट जब तक ये इंस्टॉल होता है हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि एक RDS सर्विस लेंगे. ओके, जिसमें हम लोगों का मैट्रिक्स डेटा जो भी रहेगा वो इसमें इंस्टॉल करेंगे. वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ डेटाबेस. ओके, why we are taking matrix data? Because we have to save the because we have to save the services of matrix data in it. Okay, that's why we are, make sure you have to select MySQL. It's 5.7.21 because our JDBC is capable of it's capable of connecting that. Okay, don't select the higher version. Make sure uh, I'm going with 5.7.21. Got it? Okay. Because and we have I'm selecting free tier obviously because we are doing in practice. Okay, and type your password for connecting your RDS. Double password. Okay. Okay. It's a T3 micro. It's boosting class. Allocated storage 20 GB, sufficient for that. And maximum is 1000. Threshold value it's 1000. Okay, it's sufficient. After that, after selecting maximum, okay, okay. Then after connecting your VPC, I'm taking default VPC for that. I'm selecting public access to no because I want to connect to my instances in my own security group. That's why I'm selecting the public access no. Clear cut. Okay. Your availability zone no. It's a vertical type of scaling where 1000 is selected further. Then after I'm selecting no here, and your existing security no. Okay, okay, okay. Let's create database. Okay, okay. Update my password, no problem. See, my database is creating and waiting for my endpoint, because that endpoint I'm used for the connecting in for with my client and save and after connecting I'm saving that matrix data in it. In Ubuntu machine I'm going to install sudo apt install MySQL hyphen client hyphen y. Don't ask me yes or no, just download it in anyhow. Okay, okay, perfect. Okay, now let's see my database endpoint is come or not, please. Okay, my database endpoint is generated, so I'm copy this endpoints. Okay, this is my server, RDS server, and I'm download my client in Ubuntu machine. So after copying this, come to your Ubuntu machine. Okay, and type MySQL hyphen h your database endpoint and your hyphen p 3306 and your hyphen admin hyphen p. Okay, I'm coming for the prompt of MySQL. See, your MySQL server ID is 7, server version is 5.7.21 because my JDBC driver is compatible with that. Okay, so that's why I'm select that 5.7.21. Make sure. Okay, now I'm adding my matrix, creating tables in that. Okay, creating databases, creating tables in it, copying at a time. Let's copy. Okay, come to your prompt. Make sure you have to put on this MySQL prompt. Okay, then after one is remaining, which is SCM. Where is the SCM? Okay, 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 okay. I have to create also SCM database for that. Perfect. We show databases. Okay, enter. It's 14 rows inside. Okay, high view. Okay, then after we have to connect our miss our database to your CM machine. For that I'm pasting endpoint in it in here. Okay, बिकॉज सीएम ऑल्सो नोज, सीएम को भी पता रहना चाहिए कि डेटाबेस कहाँ रखा हुआ है. ओके, that's why I'm telling that my putting that my endpoint in it in USR share. Okay, copy this. Let me correct, check this syntax. MySQL -h database. Okay, 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 no problem. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, all done. Your SCM database is configured correctly. Okay, then after start your Cloudera server. Okay, sudo service Cloudera SCM server start. Waiting for green flag. Okay, okay, I'm checking the status, active or not. See, it's active. Then after checking the logs in Cloudera SCM server dot logs and waiting for my Jetty server, because Jetty server is something which is related to your HTTP. Okay, see my Jetty server is started here. Okay, now I can go to my web. Okay, take your CM IP, Cloudera manager IP. Okay, copy, open up, paste here. What is the port number? It's 7180 without SSL. If you're taking SSL, then it is 7183 obviously. Admin, it's admin. Okay, it's showing it's not secured. Okay, no problem. Remember me? No. Then after login, okay, I select the conditions of it. Yes, I accepted. The end user, continue. See, there are 3 version: basic edition, flex edition, and Cloudera enterprise. Okay, I'm selecting flex edition, which is Cloudera enterprise trial, which is of 60 days. Okay, your for that key currently we don't have any key for that, because that key is given by something your audit team, because we are using we are practicing, so we are using that 60 days trial. Okay, continue please. Okay, now paste the IPs of your CentOS machine. Okay, whatever you search for that IP. Okay, 1 millisecond. Okay, perfect. No, okay, we have to choose here the parcels. Okay, we are using parcel because parcels can be installed in any location in the file system. That's why we are selecting the parcels, not going for packages. Okay, I'm hosting the parcels in my web servers, so I'm taking the IP for my web server, taking the IP and open up, selecting, then CDH 5.16. okay, see, it's hosted here. Okay, going to my more option. Okay, Cloudera OPT Cloudera. See, it's saving in OPT Cloudera. Okay, more option, cut all, delete all please, because I already hosted a parcel for this. I'm pasting here. Okay, checking this. Okay, let's see. It's detected. CDH 5.16 is detected. Okay, now I'm choosing here the custom repository. For that, I have also taken the copy IP of that, and just type here CM 5.16. Okay, perfect. Just copy that IP. Just copy. Don't do anything. it's a 5 point. Okay, come here, paste the IP. Okay, then after we have to paste the key for that certain CM 5.16. Select here. Okay, copy the IP address. Okay, copy and paste here. Okay, okay, it's everything is perfect. Cluster installation. Okay, we are it's installing the JDK7 from Oracle. Okay, in all the machines. So that's why we have to select that install. Okay, okay, type your machine name here, which is CentOS. Select your key here, choose file. I'm putting in, I think, desktop. Yeah, my key name is key.pem. Okay, just select it, continue. Okay, see, it's downloading. It's installing the JDK7 in all 6 machine. Okay, so we have to wait it for installing here. Okay, it's installing right here. Just complete it, waiting for completion. Okay, okay, perfect. It's installed. Your download, distribute, and unpack and activate all this. Okay, okay, it's done. It's done. Okay, so continue. Okay, finish, continue. I'm selecting core Hadoop components in it and arranging all the whatever services in your machines. Okay, like we have this is a semi-intelligence. Okay, Cloudera is semi-intelligent. We have to rearrange the services in it. Okay, so I'm arranging your data nodes. We have taking 3 data nodes machine. Okay, I have 6 machine. I'm taking one for CM services. Okay, and another for your gateway. Okay, whatever gateway machine, and your name node, or 3 for data nodes. Okay, got it. I'm rearranging. Okay, okay, your host monitor, yeah, put here, please. Perfect. Zookeeper, we have taken 3 zookeepers. Okay, select one for, okay, perfect. One it's for name node, data node, set here. Okay, perfect. Okay, okay, next we have to put here the endpoint of your RDS machine, right? So I'm going to my RDS. See, we can't take the database names here because we have taken the already server, which is our RDS. Going to services, RDS, RDS लेना है यहाँ पर. Okay, okay, your databases, endpoint, copy that endpoint, paste the endpoint here, and I hive you arman. Okay, use, paste the password here, whatever I set for that SCM. Okay, pasting the password. Oh, it's showing error. Wait a minute, let me check, let me correct. Okay, okay, I think पासवर्ड में कहीं ना कहीं okay, let me copy password again, pasting here. Okay, test connection please. Okay, wait, I'm not successful. Yeah, it's successful. See, all the connection are successful here. Your Hue, Hive, Hue, Rman, Uzi. Let's continue. Okay, okay, bro, save the password, cluster setup. Okay, your DFS location, DFS/dn/DFS/nn. Your meta store, it's 9083. Okay, see your zookeeper location, it's a var library and your zookeeper. Okay, it's your zookeeper location. Okay, so continue. Okay, it's setting up your cluster. First of all, deploying client configuration. After that, your zookeeper is maybe started. Then after your HDFS, Yarn, Hive, View, Uzi. Okay, it's completed. Let's continue. Your cluster setup, finish. See, our cluster is ready. Yoo-hoo! Okay, perfect. Okay, this is my charts for HDFS. Okay, perfect. So guys, we have successfully deployed our Cloudera manager. Okay, if you have any difficulty, so please ping me in comment box. Okay, bye, Allah Hafiz. आखिर में एक गज़ल के चंद अशार आपके सामने पेश करता हूँ, सुनिए कि दिल और निगाह भी न रहे इख्तियार में, दिल और निगाह भी न रहे इख्तियार में, पत्थर का हो गया हूँ तेरे इंतज़ार में, पत्थर का हो गया हूँ तेरे इंतज़ार में। हालांकि उसने कोई भी वादा नहीं किया, बर्बाद हम हुए हैं मगर एतबार में, बर्बाद हम हुए हैं मगर एतबार में। चाहेंगे तुमको लोग निभाएंगे कम, मगर हम सा न ढूंढ पाओगे तुम इस दयार में, हम सा न ढूंढ पाओगे तुम इस दयार